It's actually really interesting what one learns and the amount of different things you can do. Incredible, whether you're etching on glass, wood, leather, fabric, so many different other substances, slate, cutting, fine intricate details, and then broad spectrum details. Josh, our guild leader, is amazing at teaching, knows so much about the laser. He is brilliant.
My name is Josh Lotts, and I am the laser guild leader. My job here is to make sure that everything is running precisely for the rest of the members. My own inspiration was drew in by looking at light boxes or edge lighting acrylics. It gave me a way to efficiently produce otherwise complex things to build by hand that would take hours and hours, and it can condense it into minutes. I don't think there's any other machine in this building that has a more efficient means of producing something complex quickly. So you would essentially join the makerspace. You basically would explore the place, and if you decided the laser shop is something that you had interest in, then you would contact us on our Slack group and talk to anyone basically and ask, and then it's my job at that point to train you to use the machine safely and understand the complexities involved in it.
To me, community sort of dumbs it down. It means you have to go and find the people to become the community. Whereas here, people come and they become a part of the makerspace. Each person has their own individual skills that they can teach someone else. So that's what I love about this place.